Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Outdoorsman's Garage YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take a look at the Chicago Electric 230 foot-pounds of torque corded impact that I got from Harbor Freight a year ago for $39. We're going to see if it's worth the shit. So, little secret on this thing is I've had it for a year, and I've already used it multiple times on different vehicles. But today I got to change a tire on the old dually, so I figured I'd bring you guys with us and change that tire to show you how good it actually does work. Alright, so there you go. It proves it does work. It does have a lot of torque, and it does the job. But anyway, was this thing worth the money? I think it was. A lot of people on YouTube don't like Harbor Freight because they say everything is from China, yet those people buy everything from Amazon, which, in my opinion, is a big contributor to the economy in communist mainland China. So either way, you're supporting it either way, so it makes no difference. My final thoughts on this thing is, yes, it does do the job. Like I said before, I had it for a year, and it's done the job just fine for me. I only bought it anyway because I needed a new impact for my my air compressor, and then my air compressor died. So now that I got a new air compressor, which there's a video on that one coming, I can start either looking around for an impact for the air compressor or just one with a battery. We'll see which one I can get a better deal on, and we'll go from there. One with a battery would probably be better, because then I can keep it in the truck in case I get a flat tire or whatever. I don't like to mess around with crowbars and speed handles and all that bullshit. So anyway, tell me what you think. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. We love you. We'll catch you next time.